Bururi wa Kenya ni ukoretwo ugumirwo ni mashira megie ungumania maingi mamo makaga gukinya igoti-ini namo maria makinya kuo makoya ihinda inene gutuithanio. Mucirithania munene David Maraga augite uyu ni undu guthira ni gukorwo igoti riri rigukorwo rikirumanirira na mashira ta macio o muthenya.
Those who engage in corruption should face justice according to the law. I want to state here and now that the judiciary will not be a shelter or a sanctuary for the corrupt.
Maraga augite ruhonge rwa igoti ni rukoretwo ruking'ethanira na mathina maria makoretwo magikururia uheani wa kihoto. Umwe wa mathina macio ari uthuthuria gwikwo kahora kana kwaga gukinyanira undu uria igoti riri ritegucoka gukirira.
The agreement we have all reached is that where we are going to see short investigations, we will tell the public that we are unable to convict here because of short investigations. Where we are going to see delays in the prosecution of these cases, we are going to tell the public that we are not able to proceed with these cases as expeditiously as we should because our hands are tied.
Oho, igoti riri ritigukorwo rigitiria cira tiga hari na gitumi kiiganu ni gukorwo kaingi aria mathitangwo na ungumania ni maheanaga itumi cia kumehutia kurugama mbaũ-ini.
Hardly do you see a senior government official being charged in court, then you see him in hospital the following day. Thereafter, it is a circus. He is sick, we are doing this, we are doing that, we are doing that. We know that these are tactics to delay the hearing.
Igoti riu riritongoragio ni mucirithania Hedwig Imbosa na munini wake ni mucirithania Lydia Achode. Mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Keriako Tobiko, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kurua na ungumania EACC, munene wa watho Githumu Igai o hamwe na acirithania angi ni manyitanire na mucirithania munene hari kuruguria igoti riri kuria maugite ni makurutithania wira kuhurana na ungumania uria ukoretwo ukihotomia uthii wa na mbere guku bururi-ini. Kurugurio kwa igoti riri gukite o riri bururi ugumirwo ni mashira maingi megie ungumania no huthiri moru wa besha cia muingi. Riu a Kenya magukorwo marongoreirie maitho mao kuri igoti riri niguo mone kana ni magukinyaniria matua ma mashira macio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma igoti-ini ria Milimani, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.